Welcome to Chapter 1, Objective 3, Supplemental Presentation. In this objective, we will explain the importance of business transactions, money measure, and separate entity as it relates to accounting measurement. In accounting measurement, we are concerned with four basic questions. First, what is measured? Second, when should the measurement be made? Third, what value should be placed on what is measured? And finally, how should what is measured be classified? Business transactions are economic events that affect the financial position of a business entity. They involve an exchange of value. Typical exchanges involve purchases, sales, payments, and collection activities. They also involve events that have the same effect as an exchange of value, like a loss from a fire, flood, or theft, or physical wear and tear on equipment, or the accumulation of interest. All business transactions are recorded in terms of money. This is commonly called money measure. Money is the only factor common to all business transactions. Basic unit of money is determined by the country in which the business resides, and exchange rates are used to translate transactions from one currency to another. The value of one currency in terms of another is known as the exchange rate, and these change daily. An example, assume the price of one British pound is $1.61 US dollars. How many British pounds would the US dollar buy? You take the British pound and divide it by its value in terms of dollars, which is 1.61, and you would get 0.62 British pounds per US dollar. A business is considered to be distinct from its owners and its creditors and its customers. We call this the separate entity. Its financial records and reports should refer only to its own financial affairs. Our last slide. Identify each of the following as most closely related to which. A business transaction is most closely related to the payment of an expense. The separate entity is most closely related to a corporation or a partnership. And money measure is most closely related to the concept of the US dollar.